Even thousands of years before the beginning of our era, stone was used as raw material for buildings and monuments. With the instruments of those days, breaking large blocks of stone off the rock face was extremely troublesome. Methods like wetted wooden wedges were used to split the rock into cut-to-size blocks. Today, more modern cutting methods are applied, but even there the further processing of large boulders means wearisome work. Explosives are another optional method. The trouble then is that the stone surface is very likely to get blackened, and the observation of potential color defects will remain a matter of guesswork. An additional problem with the current cutting methods is that the wedges will fall into the cut opening. Moreover, the traditional methods are somewhat problematic with regard to the safety regulations. These problems prompted a major development work at the Kirnawari Company in cooperation with quarrying industry experts. The work has now resulted in a hydraulic wedging apparatus, Splitstone, based on completely new stone-cutting technology. The device can be installed in a regular farm tractor or any mechanical digger with a 360-degree working capacity. The device can be steered with the help of its own steering mechanism or, more safely, using remote control. For the Splitstone wedges, holes are drilled into the solid rock in the traditional way, but there is the remarkable advantage of 15 to 20% fewer holes being needed. The remote-controlled cutting device is brought close to the rock to be cut, with the wedge bar just above the row of the drilled holes. The Splitstone cutting device is made up of 15 wedge units, each one provided with a counterweight, which makes the handling light and easy. To meet the needs of each particular work process, any number of wedges can be operated with no regard to the order of the wedges in the bar. For the steering, two alternative systems are provided. Either all wedges are steered simultaneously, or 14 units as a combined group and one as a separate unit. The independent unit in that case will be right in the middle of the line. The wedge in that unit can be replaced by a bigger one in diameter, the so-called opener. The wedger may push the wedges into the holes with his hands, but with more experience he is likely to prefer footwork for the job. The wedges are somewhat longer than they used to be. This will prevent the split line from getting twisted. Thanks to their unique installation mechanism, the wedges will not fall into the cut opening, and they can be replaced in no time. Rock types differ from each other as far as their splitting qualities are concerned. With the Splitstone system, these differences can be better observed than ever before. Because of the remote-controlled steering, the worker can step aside a bit during the wedging process. This will improve the safety of the working conditions. The hydraulic system pushes down all wedges simultaneously and with equal pressure, which ensures much quicker cutting of stone blocks than the traditional methods. The cleavage line will remain straight, and the potential shade effects or other imperfections of the quality are more easily observed. The structure of the wedge is very simple, which makes it a hard-wearing tool. In fact, the operating time of the newest wedges have been extended into a whole year. Splitstone provides a completely new technique for stone cutting. Splitstone is quicker, safer, and more effective. Splitstone, the last word at a quarry.